So we're going to pull this bacon out of this here skillet, and we're going to crack a couple eggs, and like most people, they're just going to dump them in there. You're going to have all kind of problems. And on this other skillet, I'm going to show you how to do it right. So let's get cooking. I'm just going to do scrambled eggs today because they're pretty difficult to do. So this piping hot pan, it's a couple dots below medium. And if you'll see this pan compared to the other pan, this is my most seasoned pan. So I'm guessing that skillet right there, after taking that bacon out, it's in excess of 400, maybe even 450 degrees because it's smoking. So here we go. A couple scrambled eggs in this thing. Oh, listen to that. Sounds cool. You know what? You're just not fast enough with the spatula. Look how that thing's getting. Now, it's not terrible. That's a well-seasoned pan, of course. And you gotta be fast. Now, if you like bacon, that's fine. You'll get some bacon bits in there. See all them little bacon bits coming off the bottom in your fine eggs? You can give her a quick flip, but look what happened. That quick maneuver. We already got them a little brown. But those babies are edible, just saying. We're not gonna waste them. Let me get a plate and plate them things up before they get burned on the other side. They were a little scorched on that side, a little scorched on this side. And because I have a good seasoned pan and I take care of them, the thing didn't get stuck. I anticipated getting stuck, actually. You can see we got a little brown. So let's do the other one. Turn this on low. It's probably been about 3 minutes. We'll maybe go another minute here. We might need to go total of 4 or 5. There's Vinny the dog. What are you doing, Vinny the dog? Easy, easy. Don't knock my camera over. I might as well have a little bite of this bacon while I'm waiting for that pan to cool down, don't you think? Nice crunchy bacon. My favorite. Once you pulled that bacon out of that pan, you only got 2 things to do. That's the most important. Turn this thing all the way to low. And knock these bits out. If there's any stuck, I didn't have it so hot that I figured it would stick. They look like they're pretty loose in this cast iron. Just has a factory seasoning. I just washed it with soap and started cooking on it. It's doing great. I'm just doing a hand hover test. It's hot, but I think we're okay. Let's just throw in some eggs and see what happens. Bet this one won't be getting all bubbly right away, and it's not. Look at that beauty. Now, what I always do with any kind of egg, whether it's scrambled or not, I'm just looking at the edges. As soon as them edges start, you can start pulling it if you like to do it that way. And it'll just pull to the center. Just keep pulling it in. Now you're going to have some good bacon flavored eggs here. Look at that. No stick. This is in that new cast iron from Lodge. Factory seasoning only. So you can just pull that in there. Give her a little flip if you want. And look at that beauty. We got some coloration from the bacon, but we don't have any brown. Completely cooked. That's the way I like my scrambled eggs right there. We'll just get this fish turner, which isn't hurting your cast iron. It will not bother it. I've been doing it for 50 years, only metal. So let that myth go. Take a look. Flip a few eggs on your stove like I seem to always manage to do. And let's pull these babies out. While you're checking out these eggs, you might want to end up clicking this up here. I got my top 10 tips and I pulled it off in just around 5 minutes in using cast iron. And if you're a cast iron enthusiast, you ought to jump down there in comments and make a comment, read some of the comments. We got a lot of interaction. I replied every single one. Hit that like, and better yet, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything upcoming. Couple different eggs, couple different ways. We had the hot skillet. We got them a little bit brown. We didn't knock them bits off. And then we turned the heat down, knocked the bits off. We don't get any browning. They both turned out pretty good, actually. You all have a terrific day and just keep cooking.